Hi, I'm Michelle Porter with Berkshire Hathaway Yost and Little Realty, and I'm here today with Laura Melvin with Careful with the China, and I wanted to introduce Laura and let her tell you about how her moving services has helped simplify many of my clients' needs and made the moving process much less stressful for them. Laura, tell me about how you and Careful with the China make moving made simple.
Okay, well, thank you very much for having me on your video. So I'm the owner of Careful with the China, as she said, and our business is built around helping our clients pack and move. Also, anything and everything that a customer may need during the moving process. Our mission statement is to care for our customers like family while helping them navigate through the entire move process. And so there are a lot of things that come up during a move that is very stressful and also very emotional for a customer to move from their home that they've possibly been in for 10, 20, 30, 40, sometimes 50 years. And so what we do is we take the time to come in and help our customers select what they may want to take, what they may not want to take, and also help them with donation trash runs that may be appropriate for their move as well.
One of the great things about Laura, she's helped many of my clients with their move, whether they're small moves, big moves, complicated moves, local moves, or long distance moves, and she personalizes the experience for each one of those people to really help meet both their personality needs, their emotional needs, as well as the specific needs that move entails. Laura, tell me about how you personalize the services that you provide, which to me really make Laura's services much stronger and sets her apart from any other moving companies that may be here locally. Laura, tell us how you do that.
Okay, so I just feel like every family is different, and also each family has special pieces that they have possibly collected from around the world, or they have actually been gifted from family members. And so what I like to do is just make note of the items that they really cherish and take the time to make sure that those are handled properly. And we also take the time to make sure that the customer is being cared for emotionally as well, because you know, it's very difficult, as Michelle was saying, to move. And so we really take care of, handhold our customers through the move process. We assign a move manager to each customer to make sure that they have, you know, individual care during the pack days and also the move days as well. And so we just go above and beyond different movers in the community possibly that we really take care of our customers.
And one of the things too, one of the customers that Laura helped for me had a bug collection that was her son's, as well as he was an artist. And the mother was very concerned about making sure that all of his pottery and artwork got transported without being damaged, as well as the bugs got transported without being damaged. They were fragile, and Laura did a fabulous job in working with her to satisfy those needs. Another great thing about Careful with the China during this time of year, since it is the holiday season, is Laura offers services that could benefit you during this time of year. Let Laura tell you about what they do with helping people decorate as well as pack up, but to shed some detail on those services.
Okay, yes. So while we talked a little bit about the holidays, it is stressful for families to have to take the decor out of storage and then put it back up after the new year. And a unique service that we provide is that we help our customers take those items out of storage, place them possibly on their dining table in a very organized fashion to allow them to have that family experience, to decorate their tree. We'll put up banister decor if they would like, even outdoor decor if they would like, and then let them have that decorating the tree experience with their family. And then after the new year, we'll come back and put those in an organized fashion and make sure that those boxes are stackable and really nice, nicely organized in their storage. And so they're ready to go for next year. And that is the service that we provide during the holidays. That goes parallel with the packing and moving business.
And that's the service somebody like me who works full-time could take advantage of, because I don't have time to do that stuff with all the other work things I have to do. But again, I wanted to thank Laura for meeting with us today and sharing with you how she can help you pack. If you just need somebody to help you organize your house, help you declutter, or help you decorate or undecorate for the holidays, Careful with the China has always been proven and 5-star in our book, so I couldn't recommend any company more highly. For additional information, reach out to me or Laura, and I'll display our contact information in just a few minutes. Thanks so much.
Thanks, Michelle.
Mhm.